Madhu from 9th Victory.
I am Ahu from the same class.
I am Karthik from the same class.
Today's element of the day is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the first element on the periodic table. It has only one electron, one proton. It is a colorless, odorless and tasteless gas at room temperature. We are going to do a small activity on hydrogen atom. Do you know what is proton? He is the proton. Do you know electron?
Negatively charged particles.
He is the electron. The proton revolves around the electron revolves around the proton. Proton is a nucleus also. Thank you.
Eighth triumph, scientific principle and or concept of the day.
Fantastic morning to all. We are students of class 7th.
At school. Fantastic morning, students.
Fantastic morning, ma'am.
All of you stand straight. Do you know what is Newton's first law?
Every object will remain at rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless accompanied by its action of an external force, ma'am. It's called Newton's first law.
Very good, Redil. All of you clap for Redil. At playground. Hey, come, take the ball. We will play catch and catch. I said you about Newton's first law in class. No, do you know the examples?
Yes, I know. And ball at rest unless a net force acts on it. A ball in motion unless net force acts on it. Thank you.
Seventh Pacific, scientific instrument of the day.
Fantastic morning to all. This is Anastasia from 7th Pacific. Do you know today's scientific instrument is galvanometer? Do you know what is galvanometer? This is galvanometer. Galvanometer is used on electrical circuits to measure the intensity and direction to electric current. Uses of galvanometer in everyday life. Control system, laser display. Thank you.
Sixth King David, scientist of the day.
Fantastic morning to all. My name is Aditya. I am studying 6th King David. Today I want to share about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Awal Pakar Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist. He born and raised in a Muslim family in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He studied physics and aerospace engineering. He is also known as the missile man of India of his work on the development of mythology. Thank you.
Fifth APJ Kalam, science formula of the day.
Fantastic morning to all. My name is Diya Harma. I am studying 5th APJ Kalam. Science formula of the day. F equal to ma. F means force. M means mass. A means acceleration. Thank you.
Fourth hero, scientific word of the day.
Fantastic morning to all. My name is Inida. I am studying 4th standard Europe. Hormone, a chemical messenger of the internal organ. Example, acetylcholine. Thank you.
Third diamond, inorganic acid of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Ritika. I am studying 3rd standard diamond. Inorganic acid of the day. Sulfuric acid, properly known as king think of chemical. Thank you.
Second Jupiter, organic acid of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Jonas. I stay in second standard Jupiter. Organic acid of the day. Citric acid. Lemon contains citric acid. Thank you.
First America, planet of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Shivasankar. I am studying first standard America. Planet name is Mercury. Mercury is the first and smallest planet in our solar system. Thank you.
UKG penguins, source of vitamins of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Rudrashi. I am studying in UKG Penguin. Today, vegetable names are carrot. Carrot contains vitamin. Thank you.
LKG roses, fruit card of the day.
Good morning to all. My name is Arfin. My name is boxer. Arfin. Sometimes running things. Thank you.
Thank you students for your great contribution in science. Reading from the book of Proverbs. God loves everyone who loves him. Those who look for him will find him. Proverbs chapter 8 verse 17. I read once again. God loves everyone who loves him. Those who look for him will find him. Proverbs chapter 8 verse 17. Thought of the day. Never give up because great things take time. Read once again. Never give up, because great things take time. Today we have a birthday. Ahana from 4th standard.